Typing slow, what if you could write emails, documents, and even build websites just by speaking? I just found an amazing tool that makes you 4 times faster. Speakly. Speakly is a voice-to-text AI assistant developed by the team behind GenSpark, an AI workspace that reached $200 million in ARR in just 11 months. But Speakly is more than a simple dictation tool. It can auto-edit your writing, translate it into other languages, and even generate content using AI. Imagine you want to write an email. Normally, you would open your email app and start typing everything manually. But with Speakly, you can simply press the function key to start dictation and begin speaking. For example, let me write a quick email. Hi Sarah, I just wanted to follow up regarding the landing page design we discussed yesterday. I've prepared a few ideas for the hero section and the feature layout. Let me know when you have time to review them. And as you can see, Speakly instantly converts my speech into clean, well-formatted text. But here's where it gets really impressive. While I'm speaking, Speakly is also editing the text automatically. It removes filler words like or ah, fixes small mistakes, and adds proper punctuation so the email already looks professional and ready to send. So instead of typing and editing your message later, Speakly handles both steps at the same time. Now let me show you a longer example so you can really see what this looks like at scale. Let's say I'm writing a project brief for my team. I just press the function key and start talking through it naturally, like I'm explaining it to someone out loud. Okay, so the goal here is to redesign the onboarding flow for new users. Because right now, the drop-off rate between sign-up and the first action is like way too high. I think it's around 60%. So what we want to do is basically simplify the first 3 screens, reduce the number of fields in the setup form, and add a short progress bar so users know where they are in the process. Oh, and also we should probably add a skip option for the optional steps because a lot of users are just abandoning it when they feel like it's taking too long. The goal is to get that drop-off rate under 30% within the first month after launch. Now look at what came out on the other side. Every every like, and basically stripped out. The sentences are tight and it looks like something you'd actually send. That took maybe 25 seconds to say out loud. Writing it manually? Easily 5 minutes, and that's before you even start editing. Now let's look at another really useful feature. Let's say you want to send this same email in another language, for example French. Instead of rewriting everything or copying the text into a translation tool, you can simply select the text, then activate Speakly and just say translate it to French, and within seconds Speakly will convert the entire email into French while preserving the meaning and structure. You can simply write or dictate your message once and then translate it into another language almost instantly. And it's not just for emails. Let's say you've just dictated that whole project brief and you need to share it with a contractor based in Germany. You select the whole thing, say translate it to German, and within seconds your entire brief, structure, bullet points, all of it is in German and ready to share. No copy pasting between tabs, no reformatting, nothing. This works across a ton of languages and it's genuinely useful if you're working with people in different countries. You write the message once and you're good. And if you're someone who posts on social media across different markets, this is huge. Write one caption in English, then just say translate it to Spanish. Done. Translate it to Arabic. Done. Same message, same tone, different language in seconds. No separate tools, no reformatting, no back and forth. Now let's look at another powerful feature. Let's say you want to create a landing page for a company using GenSpark AI. Normally, you would have to open GenSpark AI, find the right AI agent, and write the prompt to handle the task. But with Speakly, you can do this just with your voice. All you have to do is double press the function key to activate GenSpark agent mode. Then simply describe what you want. For example, I'm going to say, build a modern animated landing page for a 5-star hotel. And now the GenSpark AI developer agent starts building the landing page step by step. You can see it generating the structure, writing the content, and assembling the page automatically. But this doesn't only work for websites. For example, you could also say, create a marketing plan for a luxury hotel targeting international travelers. And then the AI will generate a complete marketing strategy, including campaign ideas, messaging, and content suggestions. Or maybe you're working on a product idea. You could say something like, generate 3 startup ideas related to AI tools for designers. And the AI will instantly generate multiple ideas along with explanations and potential use cases. You can even ask it to create things like, write a product description for a premium hotel booking website. and within seconds, it will generate high quality marketing copy. So instead of typing long prompts and switching between different AI tools, you can simply speak your idea and let the AI build it for you. Another really powerful feature is custom instructions. This allows you to define exactly how Speakly should process your voice. For example, you can create different presets depending on your workflow. You might create something like a professional rewrite preset for emails, a terminal helper preset for coding, or even something fun like chaos mode, which rewrites text with emojis and meme style tone. You could also create a preset that rewrites your text to sound more formal, or another one that summarizes long notes into short bullet points. Once you define your instructions, Speakly will apply those rules automatically whenever you dictate text. This makes the tool extremely flexible because you can adapt it to different workflows instantly. And the more you use it, the more it becomes like a personal AI assistant that understands how you like to work. Now, if you want to try it out, and I think you should, here is the deal right now. When you sign up, you get 7 days of completely unlimited free access. No restrictions, full features, just try it. And if you invite a friend, both of you get 30 days of unlimited transcription access. So that's a pretty easy way to get a full month for free just by sending one link to someone. You can download Speakly from the official Speakly website. Don't type, just Speakly.